There are several different types of Pennzoil oils out there, but which one is the right one for you? There is a lot of love around Pennzoil's ultra platinum oil, and maybe you have an older car that cannot take that kind of oil. Today we will be deep diving into these 9 engine oils and discuss what each of them does so that you can make the best choice. We will also go into a bit of history so that you know your engine is in good hands with Pennzoil. If you have not used Pennzoil before, we must begin with the base oil inside that bottle. It did not come from crude oil. Instead, it started as natural gas converted into an ultra-pure, synthetic base oil through a process that produces oil that is 99.5% pure. Compare that to conventional motor oils made from crude, which contain sulfur, nitrogen, and compounds that can harm your engine over time. This is a patented gas-to-liquid technology called Pure Plus that Shell developed, representing the first major breakthrough in over 40 years. Natural gas, primarily methane, undergoes chemical reactions at extremely high temperatures and pressures to break down and reassemble molecules. What comes out is crystal clear, almost like water in appearance before the additives are mixed in. With natural gas conversion, you are building the molecules from scratch, so those contaminants never exist in the first place. Pennzoil introduced this in 2014. Modern engines, like turbocharged gasoline engines, were creating challenges that conventional oils struggled to address. The purity of Pure Plus base oil helps address these challenges because there are fewer contaminants to break down under extreme heat. Now let us talk history. The company traces its roots back to 1889 when South Penn Oil Company was founded in Oil City, Pennsylvania. When the Supreme Court broke up Standard Oil in 1911, South Penn became independent. By 1925, separate coast-to-coast companies merged. In 1953, partners including a young George H.W. Bush formed Zapata Petroleum, which later merged with South Penn in 1963. By 1965, Pennzoil had become a fully integrated company producing and marketing oil worldwide. Your engine is in the best hands. The 1980s brought one of the most famous corporate legal battles in American history. In 1984, Pennzoil had an agreement to acquire Getty Oil, then Texaco swooped in and purchased Getty instead. Pennzoil sued Texaco and Texas State Court for tortious interference. A jury awarded Pennzoil $7.53 billion in compensatory damages and $3 billion in punitive damages. This was one of the largest judgments in history. Texaco filed for bankruptcy reorganization and eventually settled. That legal victory gave Pennzoil massive capital for the future. The company went through restructuring in the 1990s, acquiring Jiffy Lube in 1991. In 1998, the motor oil division spun off. Pennzoil immediately acquired Quaker State Corporation. Then, in 2002, Shell Oil Company purchased Pennzoil Quaker State for billions in cash and debt. Today, Pennzoil and Quaker State operate under Shell's Socus Products division. Let us dive into the 9 different Pennzoil motor oils available today. Pennzoil designed each formulation for specific engine conditions, mileage, and performance needs. This is not a case where one oil fits all. Starting at the top, we have Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. This flagship product uses 100% Pure Plus technology base oil and high-performance additives. It keeps pistons up to 65% cleaner than required. It provides unsurpassed wear protection and delivers significantly better fuel economy. The oil also performs in extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to over 400 degrees Fahrenheit without degradation. Pennzoil offers an industry-leading warranty for up to 20 years or 750,000 miles, covering specific engine parts if they fail due to lubrication. Moving down one tier, Pennzoil Platinum is their premium full synthetic oil. It provides complete protection across 5 key performance areas. Ultra Platinum has more advanced additives for even better piston cleanliness, but regular Platinum provides excellent protection for most drivers. For European vehicles, Platinum Euro was designed specifically for modern diesel and high-performance gasoline engines, meeting strict European standards. It carries approvals from BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Volkswagen. The Euro formulation helps keep these specialized engines closer to factory clean. Common viscosities include OW40, 5W30, and 5W40. Now we shift to high-mileage formulations. Pennzoil Platinum High Mileage is a full synthetic oil, specifically engineered for vehicles with more than 75,000 miles. As engines age, seals can dry out and crack, leading to oil leaks and increased consumption. This formulation includes seal conditioning agents that help stop leaks and reduce oil burn-off. It still uses Pure Plus technology-based oil. It keeps pistons up to 45% cleaner than industry standards. The seal conditioners work by softening and swelling aged seals slightly, helping them maintain contact. This oil delivers less burn-off than high-mileage oils made from crude oil. It comes with a 10-year or 300,000-mile warranty. Just because a vehicle has 75,000 miles does not automatically mean it needs high-mileage oil. If your engine doesn't leak, regular Platinum works perfectly. High-mileage formulations treat symptoms of wear. If those symptoms are not present, you are paying extra for features you do not need. Pennzoil Full Synthetic is their core offering. It uses Pure Plus technology and is formulated for long drain intervals, protecting 40% better against engine wear. This oil meets industry specifications like Platinum, without the premium additive chemistry. It provides excellent protection for drivers wanting synthetic performance at a value. Viscosities include OW2 O through 1 OW3L. For high-mileage vehicles on a budget, Pennzoil offers full synthetic high mileage, which combines Pure Plus technology with specialized additives. Moving into synthetic blends, we have Pennzoil Gold. This uses active cleansing technology and combines conventional and synthetic base oils for better protection. Synthetic blends offer better protection for severe driving conditions like stop-and-go traffic, frequent short trips, extreme temperatures, idling, and towing. Gold keeps pistons 10% cleaner and removes 40% of engine sludge in the first change. It resists thickening and breakdown longer than conventional oil. Pennzoil High Mileage Synthetic Blend is designed for engines with 75,000 miles experiencing leaks. It combines base oils with seal conditioners to reduce burn-off. Finally, Pennzoil Conventional Motor Oil is the base-level traditional mineral product. It uses refined crude oil to keep engines clean and responsive. Now for pricing. Ultra Platinum sells for $28.35. Platinum runs $23.28. Platinum Euro is $26.32. Platinum High Mileage sits at $24.29. Full Synthetic is 18美元减24美元. Gold Blend 14美元到19美元. And Conventional is the most affordable at $10-15. Prices fluctuate based on your location and retailer. Ultra Platinum targets performance enthusiasts, while Platinum serves the mainstream buyer wanting premium protection. This value ladder helps you choose the perfect fit. Platinum Euro serves European car owners who need specific approvals. Platinum High Mileage targets owners of aging vehicles who want synthetic protection with leak prevention. Full Synthetic and Full Synthetic High Mileage serve budget-conscious buyers who still want synthetic performance. Gold targets the mainstream buyer who wants better than conventional but cannot justify full synthetic pricing. High-mileage synthetic blend serves older vehicle owners. Conventional serves basic transportation needs and older engines designed for conventional oil. Now we need to talk about the old reputation Pennzoil still fights. If you search online forums, you will find discussions where people claim Pennzoil causes sludge buildup. This reputation comes from formulations Pennzoil sold in the 1960s and 70s that used paraffin-based base oil. In engines running at lower temperatures, this paraffin could contribute to sludge formation. Mechanics from that era remember thick grease-like deposits in valve covers. However, that formulation was discontinued decades ago. Modern Pennzoil, especially since Shell acquired the company in 2002, uses completely different base stocks. Independent used oil analysis consistently shows Pennzoil performing at or near the top of conventional and synthetic oils on the market. The sludge reputation persists purely through word of mouth and family tradition, where information wasn't checked for modern accuracy. What do actual users say? Forum reviews show overwhelmingly positive experiences with engines remaining clean past 200,000 miles. Users mention that engines run quieter, and many report improved fuel economy after switching to Platinum or Ultra Platinum. High-mileage users report reduced oil consumption and fewer leaks after several oil changes. Seal conditioners need time to work for maximum benefit. Some users report that Pennzoil synthetic oils run on the thin side of their viscosity grade. This causes no issues for most applications. Drivers who tow heavy loads in hot climates sometimes prefer 5W40 to ensure adequate film strength under severe conditions. Regarding warranty, The Pennzoil program covers specific engine parts failing due to improper lubrication caused by the oil itself. You must keep all receipts and update your records annually on their website. The warranty is protected under the Magnuson-Moss Act. Using Pennzoil will not void your vehicle warranty as long as you use the correct viscosity grade specified in your owner's manual. Pennzoil Full Synthetics use Pure Plus technology, a gas-to-liquid process that produces a base oil cleaner than traditional Group 3 oils. So which oil should you use? For performance or high-value cars, Ultra Platinum makes sense for its superior protection and warranty. For general excellence, regular Platinum is outstanding. For European vehicles, use Platinum Euro, over 75,000 miles. Choose Platinum High Mileage. Always verify specifications in your owner's manual. Choose the right Pennzoil for a smooth-running engine today. The seal conditioning agents can save you money by reducing oil consumption and avoiding leak repairs. If you want synthetic performance but are watching your budget carefully, Full Synthetic provides excellent protection at a lower price point. If you want better than conventional protection, Gold Synthetic Blend provides a solid middle ground, particularly for vehicles in severe driving conditions. If you have an older vehicle that has used conventional oil its whole life and runs well, Conventional Pennzoil continues to work fine. The most critical factor in engine longevity is changing the oil consistently at appropriate intervals, using oil that meets your engine's specifications. A vehicle running on conventional Pennzoil changed every 3,000 miles will far outlast a vehicle running on Ultra Platinum changed every 15,000 miles. Modern engines have much tighter tolerances and higher operating temperatures than engines from 20 years ago. They need clean oil to function properly. Whether that clean oil comes from Pennzoil, Mobil, or any other reputable brand matters less than changing it before it becomes too contaminated. At the end of the day, 9 different oil formulations exist because different engines have different needs based on mileage and driving conditions. Do not choose based on what your father told you about oils from 40 years ago, or based on forum arguments between brand loyalists. Read your owner's manual, verify the required specifications, and choose a Pennzoil product that meets those requirements within your budget. That approach will serve your engine better than any specific brand or formulation ever could. Consistent maintenance is the key.